Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn about Google Sheets, how you can use the sum function. So if you're used to to Excel, you probably know the sum function is a button with a sign of a sigma. And what does sum does? Very simple. Sum calculates the total amount based on the range you selected. So let's try. So for example, here we have all the ages, and now we want to know what is the total sum of this. So how can we do this? Well, there are two ways to do it. I'll show you the easiest way. That's very easily with a button here, the sigma. So you just click on this. You can select here sum. It will start to select everything. Then you have to select what you want and enter. So this is nice. However, maybe this is not the most convenient for you. It's also easy just to type in sum, and then open parentheses, and then you just select it all and enter. So you can see the total sum is 446. So if we do here 50, does this change? Yes, that it is. And this is how you use the sum function in Google Sheets.